Hello everyone. So here we have a question from geometry, quadrant geometry, that is on ellipse. So let's start solving this question. This is pretty simple question. Uh, Consider an ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 equal to 1, and let h alpha comma 0, alpha is between 0 and 2, be a point. Okay, a straight line is drawn through h parallel to y-axis, crosses ellipse and its auxiliary circle at points E and F respectively in the first quadrant. The tangent to ellipse at point E intersect the positive x-axis at G. Suppose a straight line is joining F and origin makes an angle phi with the positive axis, then you have these options here. Okay, so now let's solve this question now. So now see, in this question थोड़ा डायग्राम ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं बिकॉज सब कुछ डायग्राम में ही है. नाउ सी, I have just drawn one circle and ellipse. आप देखते जाओ डायग्राम को. We have an ellipse x square upon 4 plus y square upon 3 equal to 1. This is the ellipse which we have, right? What is this point ellipse ka? This is the point, let's say a 2 comma 0. You can see this is a square equal to 4 and b square equal to 3. मतलब a equal to 2 and b equal to root 3. ठीक है, तो ये a हमने 2 comma 0 and this is a dash minus 2 comma 0. Right now h alpha comma 0, that is between 0 and 2, be a point, right? अब जो h है that is on x axis, so let's say this is point h on x axis between 0 and 2. तो ये हमने मान लिया this is h, this is alpha comma 0, right? Between 0 and 2. A straight line drawn through h parallel to y axis crosses ellipse and its auxiliary circle. So you can see this is the ellipse and we have the auxiliary circle of this. Auxiliary circle क्या होता है ellipse का? Major axis को diameter मान के हमने circle draw किया. This is the horizontal ellipse. You can see this is the auxiliary circle, right? So now through h we are drawing a line which is parallel to y axis. ये हमने h के through parallel to y axis एक line draw की है. You can see this is the line which is parallel to y axis passing through h, right? And now see, this is intersecting. It is given in the question. It intersect the parallel to y axis ellipse को E point पे और auxiliary circle को F point पे. So this is intersecting ellipse at E and auxiliary circle at F. This is the right in the first quadrant. The tangent to the ellipse at E intersect the positive axis at point G. मतलब हमने E पे जो tangent draw किया है, let's say this is the tangent at E. It is intersecting x axis, positive axis at G. This is the tangent, let's say at point E. Now G, suppose the straight line joining F and origin makes, मतलब F को हमने origin से join किया, it is making an angle phi with the positive x axis. That means this line this is making an angle phi, ये angle phi with positive x axis. Then if phi is equal to something, ये क्वेश्चन में देखो, क्वेश्चन में गिवन है phi का वैल्यू, then the area of triangle FGH, सब में आपको देखो सिर्फ FGH triangle का एरिया फाइंड करना है. FGH, that means you have to find the area of this triangle. You have to just find the area of this triangle. ये हमको फाइंड करना है. ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल होगा. यू कैन क्लियरली सी बिकॉज ये वर्टिकल लाइन है. तो अब आपको अगर इसका एरिया फाइंड करना है तो आप ध्यान से देखो, we can find this distance and you can find this distance, half base into height लगाएंगे आपको आंसर मिलेगा. अब if you have to find this distance, तो हम phi की टर्म में सब कुछ फाइंड कर लेंगे और phi का वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे, we'll get the answer. ठीक है, तो now how can you find this? See, we know अगर ये एंगल phi है, ऑक्सिलरी सर्कल पे अगर पॉइंट है, you can see this point F and it is given that this angle is phi. If I join this point, this is the radius of this circle. ठीक है, what is the radius of auxiliary circle? You can see what is the equation of auxiliary circle, x square plus y square equal to a square. A square मतलब 4. So this is x square plus y square equal to 4. Now you can see this is the angle with x axis, that is phi. So what is this point F? I can say this is 2 cos phi plus comma 2 sin phi. एक तो आप डायरेक्टली देख भी सकते हो, देखो अगर ये एंगल phi है, ये डिस्टेंस रेडियस 2 है, you can see this radius is 2, so this is 2 cos phi 2 sin phi, right? Point. Now we know the corresponding point on the ellipse. Auxiliary circle और इलिप्स पे जो करस्पॉन्डिंग पॉइंट्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, a cos theta a ये दिस इज a cos theta a sin theta, this is a cos theta comma b sin theta, so this will become a cos theta, that is 2 cos phi, and b sin theta, what is b, this is root 3 sin phi, so this is root 3 sin phi, so this is root 3 sin phi. I hope this is clear. A cos theta comma a sin theta, a cos theta comma b sin phi, right? Because इसका ऑक्सिलरी सर्कल पे जो एंगल है दिस इज एंगल phi, पैरामेट्रिक एंगल इसका क्या होगा, phi होगा, ठीक है. नाउ सी, सो इफ यू हैव टू फाइंड द डिस्टेंस fh, तो व्हाट इज द fh डिस्टेंस, ये तो आप डायरेक्टली बोल सकते हो व्हाट इज दिस डिस्टेंस fh, इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट, तो वो हो गया अपना 2 sin phi. बट हाउ विल यू गेट दिस डिस्टेंस, अब दिस डिस्टेंस, अब अल्फा का वैल्यू तो आपको पता ही है, अल्फा का वैल्यू सेम ही रहेगा 2 cos phi बिकॉज़ दिस इज वर्टिकल लाइन. तो हम क्या करेंगे, वी विल फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ g. अब हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ g, तो उसके लिए आपको क्वेश्चन में गिवन है दिस इज द टेंजेंट, एंड इफ यू कैन राइट द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट, उसका पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन विद x एक्सिस लिखना इज वेरी इजी, राइट. व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ टेंजेंट एट एनी पॉइंट ऑन द इलिप्स, दिस इज t equal to 0. What is the equation of tangent at any point on the ellipse, this is t equal to 0, which is replace x square with x1 upon x upon a cos theta, so I'll just write this is x upon a, I'll just write this tangent ka equation, eg ka equation, this is eg, this eg, x upon a, what is a, 2 cos phi plus y upon b sin phi, this is equal to 1. This is the standard ellipse, uska equation of tangent t equal to 0, you can see at any point phi, right. Now what is this point g, this is the point of intersection with x axis, right. What is the point of intersection with x axis, y equal to 0 put kar do, so what is point g, point g will become, you can see जैसे हमने y equal to 0 put किया, this will become 2 by cos phi my 2 by cos phi comma 0 comma 0, you can see this is y equal to 0, this will be x2 by cos phi comma 0, so this point will become 2 by cos phi comma 0, right. This is the question. And now what is alpha, alpha ये coordinate same ही रहेगा because ये vertical line है, so this is 2 cos phi comma 0. I hope you are following this. Now what is the area of this triangle, area of this triangle, now you can easily write because this is a right angle triangle, so what is this area, you can see this is 2 by, yet what is this distance, ये जो distance होगा this will become 2 by cos phi minus 2 cos phi, and what is this distance, this is the vertical distance, that is 2 sin phi, so I can write this. अच्छा इसमें आप देखो ऑप्शंस में आपको ये मैच करके देखना है, so what is the area of triangle, area of triangle FGH, you can see this is half. Height, what is height of this, you can see this is height, this is the height 2 sin phi, so I can say this is 2 sin phi into this is what is the distance, what is this distance, this is you can see 2 by cos phi minus 2 cos phi, 2 by cos phi minus 2 cos phi, so what is this, this is cancelled and this is sin phi into 2 1 minus cos square phi divided by cos phi, so I can say this is equal to what, 2 tan phi into 1 minus cos square phi, that is sin square phi, so this is the area of this triangle, right, 2 tan phi sin square phi, so you can see this is 2 tan phi sin square phi, ये आपका एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल FGH आ गया. अब आप चेक कर लेते हैं, तो व्हाट आर द वैल्यूज नाउ, इसका आप बस पुट करके देख लेते हैं. सो इफ आई पुट पाई बाय 4, तो इफ आई पुट पाई बाय 4, tan pi by 4 is 1, so this is 2, tan pi by 4 is 1, sin 5 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, so this is 1 by 2, so what is this value, 1, right, so that means 1 is mapped to Q, तो ये 1 is mapped to Q, right, 1 is mapped to सेकेंड, इफ फाई इज इक्वल टू पाई बाई 3 60 डिग्री, तो जैसे आपने फाई इक्वल टू 60 पुट किया पाई बाई 3, दिस इज 2 root 3, then pi by 3 is root 3, sin pi by 3 is root 3 by 2, so this is 3 by 4, 3 by 4 square कर दिया, ठीक है. So what is this value? This is 3 root 3 by 2. So what is this 3 root 3 by 2? मतलब t. This is t. Next, if phi is equal to pi by 6, so if I say phi is equal to pi by 6, pi by 6 पे this will become 1 by root 3, and pi, this is pi by 6, that is 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4. So you can say this is 1 by 2 root 3. So what is this? This is s. And the last, that is pi by 12. So if I put pi by 12, so this is 2 tan. What is pi by 12? ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इसके वैल्यूज क्या होते हैं. This is 15 degree, right? Tan 15 degree. What is tan 15 degree? Root 3 2 minus root 3. And what is sin 15 degree? Sin 15 degree is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2 whole square. ठीक है, तो you can see ये 15 डिग्री हमने पुट किया, tan 15 डिग्री is 2 minus root 3, sin 15 डिग्री is root 3 minus 1 upon 2 root 2. अगर even if you don't know this, pi by 12 को I can say this is pi by you can 50 pi by 4 minus pi by 3 लिख के आप इसको फाइंड कर सकते हो, ठीक है, अगर नहीं पता है. बट दिस इज ऑलवेज रिकमेंडेड टू रिमेंबर दीस वैल्यूज, ठीक है. सो बस सिंप्लीफाई कर लेते हैं. दिस इज 2 minus root 3 into, और इसको आप सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे, दिस इज 3 plus 1, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 upon 8. So this will be 2 cancel, this is 4 cancel, this is 2 minus root 3 whole square. You can see 2 common हो गया, यहाँ से 4, so this is 2 minus root 3 whole square by 2. And now you see I can say this is equal to 4 minus root 3, 4 minus 2 root 3 whole square divide by 2 से multiply divide किया, this will become this is 4 8, this is 8, right? हमने क्या किया, 4 से multiply divide कर दिया और 4 को अंदर लेके गया 2 बना के. Now you see what is this? This is root 3 minus 1 whole square का square divide by 8. So you can say this is root 3 minus 1 raised to 4 by 8. तो यहाँ पे you can say this is option P, that is this is option P, ठीक है. So बस ये लास्ट ऑप्शन एक बार चेक कर लो, कैलकुलेशन है, कैलकुलेशन you can easily check this, ठीक है. So what is this? We can see 1 cube, second T, third S, and fourth P. So just check options and you can get the final answer from this. So I hope this is clear. The question is easy. The question is easy. थोड़ा बस आप कैलकुलेशन देख लो. This is how you can easily solve this. Generally ellipse और hyperbola questions advanced में easy रहते हैं, बहुत difficult नहीं आते हैं generally, ठीक है. So I hope this is clear. That's it for this video. Thank you. Bye bye.